People, I welcome you all back to my channel Infotainment, and in this video I'm going to show you how do you deactivate or close the PAYTM FASTag account. So as you are aware that RBI has issued the guidelines, and it's a mandate to switch to a different FASTag if you are already using a PAYTM FASTag. And I'll also show you how do we get the refund of the security balance, that is generally 250 rupees, along with any balance that you have in your FASTag. So let's open the PAYTM app, and I'm just gonna authenticate. And once I open the PAYTM app, I will search for manage FASTag. So I'll just type manage FASTag and you can see it over here. So I'm just gonna click it. Okay, so now you can see that the FASTag that I had already that I've already been using. So this is the one. So on the top right you see the close FASTag option. Before that you see that the main wallet balance is 0 and the FASTag security balance is 250 rupees, which is generally the case in most of the PAYTM Payments Bank FASTag. So this 250 rupees will be refunded to your PAYTM Payments Bank wallet once you have closed the FASTag. So what you have to do is you just have to click on close FASTag, and because I had already initiated the closure of FASTag, I'm getting this error. Otherwise here it will show that 250 rupees of security deposit would be refunded to your PAYTM Payments Bank wallet. And then what you can do is you can just hit submit. It will also ask you for the photo of the damaged FASTag, because you're supposed to remove the FASTag from the vehicle. So it is not a compulsory thing to upload the photo. So you'll have two options. One is upload, the other is will do it later. So you can just hit will do it later, and once you do that you will get a message saying your FASTag closure request has been initiated or issued. And once you go back, you can see over here at the bottom that the closure initiated, a small box comes up. So this will come only after you have initiated the closure. So that was a quick video on how do we close the FASTag, specifically PAYTM Payments Bank FASTag, because everybody has to switch from PAYTM Payments Bank FASTag to any other bank FASTag that has been listed by NPCI. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you have found it informative, and I hope this information was useful to you. So feel free to share this video with anybody who is in the similar situation of closing the FASTag or not knowing how to get the security balance back, and those kind of questions. So please subscribe for my channel and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.